Hi, folks. This is Rob in Connecticut. This is a follow-up to our world's best fire starter video. And this video was showing the burn times for each of the types of fire starters we talked about. This is not an exciting video. Well, it's exciting to me, but it might not be exciting to you because I didn't fast forward any of the footage while these fire starters were burning. They're in our stove and they're going to burn in real time. So if you want to fast forward and get to the middle where we have the time signatures of when they burned out, that's fine. If not, enjoy the video. It's kind of peaceful watching these burn. You know, I really love these fire starters for a couple of different reasons. One of them is everything you need to make these fire starters is at home. Cardboard, stubby candle wax, a piece of tape, maybe a staple gun if you need it. So you can put these together whenever you want, as often as you want. And more than likely, you can bang out a ton of these in one shot and have all the fire starters that you need for the whole year ready to go. We've been burning with wood for almost 20 years now, and there's nothing better than coming downstairs on a cold morning and having everything ready. The worst thing is when you're trying to get a fire started and you've got no newspaper. Then you've got to go out and try and figure out other ways of getting your fire started. Another thing about these fire starters is there's no mess involved. Putting down a piece of cardboard, as you'll see in the video. And by the way, if you haven't seen the video, World's Best Fire Starter, I've got it in the end card on this video and in the description. Please check it out. You can see how to make these very simply. But when you're making these, if there is any mess, the cardboard that we use on the table to protect our furniture can be cut into strips and then made into more fire starters. So it's really an eco-friendly way of doing things. I hope you like this video. I hope you check out the other video as well. If you find value in this, give us a like and maybe even subscribe. We've got a lot of great content coming on board. And I'd also like to know where you're watching from. And if you burn wood, what do you use for fire starters? The next type of fire starter you see here, I call them our down and dirty fire starters. They're a little bit bigger, and as you can see from the video, we just roll them up randomly, staple or tie them, put them in a box, and pour melted wax over them. The wax goes down through the center, and once you light them, they burn pretty well, as you'll see in the video. Now, this is a little bit messier than the dip method. It certainly doesn't look as nice, but if you need to do a bunch of them, you can bang out a ton in no time flat. Now, if you've got some spilled wax on the base cardboard there that I use as protector for the counter, the thick wax will just come off, and you can remelt that for the future. And any of the wax that's soaked into the cardboard, the nice thing is you take that cardboard, you cut it into strips, you roll it up, throw a staple on it, you've got a bunch more fire starters. So nothing goes to waste when you're making these, and really there's very little chance of making a mess unless you have one of those moments and you spill your wax, in which case you're out of luck. But take a look at my how to melt wax safely video, and that might help you out. That the way we do it seems to be a really easy way with not too many hassles. I appreciate you guys sticking with us. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I hope we see you on the next one. Thank you, love. You can talk if you need to, sweet. I'm going to overdub this. This is almost 5 minutes. This cool. One fire starter, yeah.
Very cool, huh?
They'd burn faster with wood on top of it because it'd get so hot, everything would just go up. But still, it's cool.
What you doing, Shannon?